Hey everyone, today we are making lemon poppy seed muffins, but these are low carb, so they will go on the ketogenic diet. And let's go through with all the ingredients that we'll have for these to make these lemon poppy seed muffins. In a large mixing bowl, I have 1/4 cup of coconut flour, 1/4 cup of almond flour, and 1/4 cup of low-calorie sweetener, or the sugar replacement, and that's rated for the ketogenic diet. Got that? And then here I have the zest of 1 lemon, a tablespoon of poppy seeds, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. And we're going to combine these ingredients. Give it a stir real quick. Break up any lumps. All right, in a separate bowl, I have 3 eggs that I've already beat for about 2 minutes to make them nice and fluffy. And to this, we are adding 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And in this plate, we have 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, and 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And for flavoring, we have half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of lemon extract, and about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add that together. And give this a beat. Perfect. All right, now we're going to combine the wet batter with the dry batter. All right, now that we have the poppy seed muffin batter ready, we grab the ice cream scoop to measure out everything evenly, and in a lined muffin tin, we're going to scoop out the portions. This is a 2-ounce ice cream scoop. looks like I'm only going to be able to get 7 muffins. That's okay. And there you go. Give the muffin tin a pat on the counter to settle the batter. And with the empty muffin tins, we are going to add a bit of water to it. Just like that. And we're gonna place this in the oven set at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Checking it at 15 minutes by sticking a skewer in the center of the muffin, and if it comes out clean, you know it's done. But yes, I'll stick this in the oven. Okay, now that the muffins have finished baking, they were in the oven for 20 minutes. Stuck a skewer in there, pulled it out, came out clean. And now we're gonna pull them out and place them on a cooling rack. What's great about these muffins is because they are low carb, it works out to be about 2 net carbs per serving or per muffin. But yeah, I'm gonna actually show you the lemon poppy seed muffin. I like mine slightly warm. That way when I put a dab of butter on it, it melts it. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them below. If you have any, if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe. Talk to y'all later. Bye.